Hey there, incredible friends. I'm Ceanne Livingston, your marketing and AI consultant, and today I'm diving into a topic that comes up all the time in my conversations with clients: how AI can be a game changer for your business. You've asked, and I'm here to answer some of the most common questions I get about AI, specifically how it can help you generate content, save time and money, and ultimately allow you to spend more time doing what you love while earning more money. So let's get started. Question 1. How can AI help me generate content? Great question. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Whether you need blog posts, social media captions, or email newsletters, these tools can provide you with fresh ideas and even draft content for you. Imagine having a writing assistant that works 24/7. How amazing is that? Question 2. How does AI save me time? Time is money, right? By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows you to focus on what truly matters in your business. For example, instead of spending hours brainstorming content ideas or designing graphics, you can use AI tools to streamline those processes. This means you can spend more time connecting with clients or developing new offers that light you up. Question 3. How can AI save me money? Another fantastic question. By using AI to automate tasks and enhance productivity, you can reduce the need for additional hires or expensive software. Think about it. With the right AI tools in your toolkit, you can accomplish more with less. This means lower operational costs and a healthier bottom line for your business. Question 4. Will AI help me earn more money? Absolutely. When you spend less time on tedious tasks and more time on strategic growth, you open the door to new opportunities. By leveraging AI to optimize your marketing efforts, you can attract more clients, close more sales, and ultimately increase your revenue. Plus, when you're able to create engaging content more efficiently, you can reach a wider audience and grow your client base. Question 5. How can I get started with AI? Getting started is easier than you think. Begin by identifying what tasks in your business take up too much time or feel overwhelming. Then explore AI tools that can help with those specific tasks. Start small, experiment, and see what works best for you. I promise once you start using AI, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So there you have it. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful ally that can help you generate content, save time and money, and allow you to focus on what you love while increasing your income. If you have more questions about AI, or if you're curious about specific tools, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to support you on this journey. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can create a business that not only thrives but also brings you joy. Have an amazing day.